back everyone to Skincare and Beauty with Perky Perkins, where I do a lot of unboxings, makeup tutorials, and I also do product reviews along the way. So today I am part of a big collaboration with 8 other amazing YouTubers. We are all going to be creating different makeup looks inspired by some of our favorite holiday movies for this video. So make sure once you're done watching this video, you guys head on over to their channels and check it out. Check theirs out as well. Here are the lovely ladies which I'm doing the collab with, and I'm going to be posting their picture here. Jessie Gonzalez, Davida Marie, Hannah Berlim, Brie Maquillage, Caitlin Beauty, and Adwin. Sorry ladies for mispronouncing your names, but there are their beautiful looks that they created. So make sure you guys head on over to their channels after my video and check how they created their looks. They're very sweet and amazing ladies and are ultra talented as well. So, but before I go any further, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and select all for your notifications. This way you're notified the moment I do any uploads. And make sure to give me a like and comment below what do you guys think of the look and the concept of this collaboration. Let's get started. I'm starting off with my Here Altier eyeshadow primer. It's a very nice liquid primer, and I'm making sure I'm blending it out, and I'm using a dense Zoeva brush, concealer brush. So I'm starting off with my Midnight Garden from Cara Beauty eyeshadow palette, and I started with that pinky shade, or bright pink shade I should say, and I'm using a Zoeva small little blending brush. It's actually a travel set of mine, and in all honesty these are really tiny. I don't like to use them often, but the size of it made it very convenient for what I needed it for. So I'm trying to slowly build up this color until I get it to the intensity I'd like, and I'm only taking it about 2/3 into my crease because I will be taking another shade off the palette to blend it in the inner corner area. So now I'm going in with a Luxie blending brush, and I took that purplish pink mauve tone and I'm blending it into the inner crease area and inner corner area, trying to mesh them together. Actually, I just wanted something that wasn't so bright in the inner portion. My husband walked down while I was doing this section and he goes, "Oh my Lord, I hope you're not leaving out of the house like this." That's who I was talking to, because I look like I got punched in the face. But anyways, so I'm just applying and blending out at the same time until I get it to about the shade that I like, because I will continue to layer the shades. And as you can tell, I took my Zoeva brush with no more extra product and then just started blending the edges so they blend in together. So now I'm going to switch to the small Luxie blending brush, and I took that soft cream shade so I could blend out the top edges. I just wanted to get it a little bit softer at the transition on top. I didn't want it to be so bright. I'm going to continue to blend until I'm happy with the transition. But now I'm taking my Catrice concealer and I'm attempting to do a little halo cut, crease, whatever you guys want to call it. I suck at these, remember that. And I just applied a little bit in the center portion for my next, to prepare my next shade. I'm using the Farah concealer brush to tap it out and blend. So now I'm using the Glitter on Cosmetics A Whole New World palette, and I took the shade Diamond in the Rough, which is a stunning ice watery kind of shimmer shade, and I'm going to be packing it in until I'm happy with the shade. I am using the Zoeva brush. It's a small travel size crease brush actually, and I'm just trying to tap it in and blend out the edges at the same time, but I'm not being too careful with it since I'm going to use another shade on the outer and inner corners of my eye look. So next I'm going to be taking Genie from the palette, which is a deeper kind of jewel blue, and I'm using, I believe it's the Alamar brush, and I'm putting it in on the inner corner and outer corner, kind of trying to make it look like a V, I guess you could say. And I'm going to be building it up till I get the intensity I look for. And I did spritz it right now with a little bit of my Gerard's Cosmetics Slay All Day. And I'm, as you can tell, trying to gently, with just the edge, drag that shade to the center portion of the halo, so that way it kind of softens the transition. So now I'm going back to the original icy blue shade, and I'm just starting to tap it out and blend. This is the area that we're just going to be blending back and forth basically, to just blend out the shades, make sure they're to the intensity I'm looking for. Now I'm back with the pink shade, and I used the Hank and Henry Savvy brush to blend them all out. I did add just a tad bit more color just to soften it up a little bit more. So now I'm going into Sultan, which is that little bit richer bone color, creamy color, and I'm blending out all the edges. I'm using the original Luxie brush I used to blend out the edges the first time. And now again, we're just playing with the shades, making sure it's to the intensity I'm looking for. So I did jump over and I just cut out the foundation portion. And now I'm doing my bronzing, and I used the Make Vitamin B bronzer in SB2. And I'm just warming up the skin until I'm happy with it basically. Now that I'm pretty much done with my bronzing, I took my Laura Geller Baked Blush and Brighten in Tropic Hues, and I used a Doe Color X Beauty by Bianca brush to apply my blush. This is a very stunning marble pink shade, which actually gives you a bit of luminosity as well. Now that I'm pretty much done with this, I'm going to be switching over to my Pretty Vulgar and my Sandra brush from Hank and Henry, and I'm going to be setting everything with the powder. And this also helps to blend all the shades in, so it's nice and it stays put all day. Now I take my Slay All Day once again in Dreamsicle and spritz it all around so my makeup stays intact. I'm using a white liner. I honestly don't remember what it's even called. Everything's faded at this point. In the waterline. Then now I'm using a Urban Decay Voodoo for my base, actually in my under lash line area. Now I'm blending it out with a small little tapered blending brush. And I did add a little bit more color because I want to make sure it's a nice base for my next shade. So I'm taking Sorcerer from the Glitter Realm palette, and I use the Monica brush to blend it out. And this adds a little bit of shimmer and a little bit more intensity to the bottom lash line. And I'm just dragging it so that it connects to the outer corner of that blue genie shade. So now that we're done, I'm taking my Hank & Henry Luster Veil highlight and Jewel Thief, and I'm using the brush Melly to apply it. I do not like wetting my highlighters because it just gets too much for me, and I think this one looks stunning even dry. It's still very pretty. I'm also taking the same highlighter and using a Luxie pointed brush to apply it on the inner corner and in my brow bow area. So now I'm going to take my Hank & Henry sponge and I'm going to just blend out the highlight. Now I'm actually going to use my Gerard's Cosmetics liner in nude to just line everything out. And once I'm done lining my lips, I'm taking my Hydra Matte liquid lipstick in Envy. So I'm going to finish my liner, mascara, and lashes off camera, and I'll be right back, you guys. Alright, you guys, here is my completed look. I hope you guys like it. Overall, I think I'm really happy with it. It's very dark and, in my opinion, on point with the theme. In my case, for Nightmare Before Christmas, again, they have a lot of purples, blues, pinks, etc. I also paired the eye look with a muted kind of lip with my Gerard's Cosmetics Ecstasy, which is a purplish tone, some purplish mauve, and then I topped it with Envy, the lip cream, so my matte with my lip cream, and I just put that right in the center. Since these are things I didn't do on camera. For my lashes, which are stunning. They're like so soft and dainty. I love them. These are also from Coffee Talk Lashes, and they were in the style Samantha, which are faux mink lashes, you guys. So they're so soft and fluttery. I love them. So I popped in a white liner in my waterline. I put some Blickety Black from Hank & Henry on my lash band, and I think that's about it as far as I can remember. Anyways, let me know what you guys think about the look. Do you guys like it? Do you think it fit the theme of the Nightmare Before Christmas? Please make sure that you comment that down below, and remember, you guys, make sure to head on over to the other lovely ladies on this collab and check out their videos, as I will also have them all linked down in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I cut a few things here and there so the video wouldn't be so long, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Also, before you guys leave, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys and have a wonderful day.